Hey everybody, welcome back to the channels.
She just like hits the record button instantly and I'm like, wait, what are we doing? What are we doing? Okay, we are introing the video, so here we go. Today's video is going to be
our top 5 ways, little tricks that you can curb your sugar cravings. And these are totally guilt-free. So tried and true, if you have sugar cravings and you're trying to stay healthy, stay on a diet, not eat sugar, you're gonna wanna stay tuned for these.
Yes, and welcome to our respective channels. I'm Weston Boucher and
I'm Katie Corio.
And we're happy that you're here, so please do subscribe.
So, for those of you guys who are following Weston and not me, get your butt on over to my subscribe button and sit down and get ready to watch this video. By the way, sit down on the subscribe button.
She's trying to be like Chris D'Elia if you follow him. He says, wait, I can't say that in this video. Just watch this video, congratulations.
He says to turn around and
just gently graze the...
No, he says to fart on the subscribe button.
He says to fart on the subscribe button.
I'm telling you, turn around, sit down on the subscribe button so that it clicks down lightly, cross your legs, get some popcorn, and get ready to watch my video.
Okay, let's get on.
Okay, anyways, let's do it.
Yeah, we are.
Before we get started though, we want to tell you guys, it's really special. This video is going to highlight Unlikely Heroes,
an amazing organization that helps rescue children and young adults from sex trafficking. It's such a noble cause and we are so honored to be part of this. It is their 2nd annual
Move for Freedom event. You did good.
Tired.
Move for Freedom event, in which we are sharing our healthy tips and tricks just like this one, and showing everybody how to live a healthy lifestyle and to love themselves. So this video is especially important because talking about trauma victims, such as the victims that Unlikely Heroes rescues, trauma actually has an effect on the brain. And if you're somebody who has gone through a lot of trauma, you might realize that you also have a lot of sugar cravings. So the trauma brain usually craves sugar. So that's something to be aware of. If you're somebody who has unfortunately gone through a lot of trauma in life, this video might be of especially good importance to you. So we're very excited to get into it. Okay, let's do it.
Here we go.
Hey, this is my favorite one, maybe. Okay, so what is this, Conan?
Your excitement level is mind-blowing. I'm so low-key, I'm the worst.
All right, come on.
Okay. These are frozen
Crystal Light popsicles. Crystal Light popsicles. So Crystal Light has 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 guilt, basically. So it's summertime, it's hot, maybe you want to just eat some sugar, I don't know, like some lemonade or something with high sugar. This is a great option for you guys if you are craving sugar in the summertime. We got this popsicle maker. Wait.
Why? What's wrong with this?
Well, you might be pulling out the thing.
No,
okay. We got this popsicle maker on Amazon really cheap, and
It's better than our old one, like way better.
Yeah. We mixed 2 flavors of Crystal Light, and we poured them in here. And this particular popsicle maker comes with popsicle sticks. And so this is a totally calorie-free, 0 sugar popsicle that you can make at home. There's a million ways you can make popsicles at home, but this
I think there's probably alternatives. Nice. There's probably alternatives to Crystal Light if you want to find something that has like a stevia sweetener or something like that. Pretty sure. Wow, this is really good.
So you got fruit punch. Mine is, it's pink lemonade.
They look
This is amazing.
really good. They came out so good.
You can make,
Oh, wow.
actually the recipe book that came with this is full of different recipes for popsicles and sweet treats.
It's like dripping instantly.
But this is a great option too. If you're feeling that sugar craving come on, grab one of these and it's like you're eating a normal popsicle. It tastes bomb. So,
I approve this.
We should probably put it back in the freezer before it melts.
All right.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Let me try yours.
Mine's really good. Careful.
Don't bite it.
Okay. Yeah, that one's good too. It's like sour.
Let's put this back so we don't lose. So a lot of people, when they think of fruit, they think of sugar and carbs and they stay away from it. But I'm here to tell you, you should never do that. Fruit is so good for you, and especially berries. You guys, fruit has not glucose, which will raise your insulin levels, but it has naturally occurring fructose, which processes differently through the body. So I read this really cool study that was done on the brain, 2 different groups of people, one who ate glucose, like refined white sugar, and one who ate fruit, like fructose, one who ate fructose, like that's found in fruit, like this. And the different effects on the brain were crazy. Like the people who ate the glucose, the sugar, their hypothalamus like basically shut down. The people who ate the fructose, their hypothalamus in their brain was flushed with fresh blood. So if you are a trauma victim and you know that your brain is suffering from those trauma and the misfiring of different cravings and stuff like that, pick up some berries and go to town, because this is gonna help.
Yeah. She's really excited. What is a hypothalamus?
You're gonna put me on the spot. No, man.
It's probably good that has blood flow.
All right, pause. We're gonna find this out. Hypothalamus is a region of the forebrain below the thalamus, which coordinates both the autonomic nervous system and the activity of the pituitary gland, controlling body temperature, thirst, hunger, and other homeostatic systems, and involved in sleep and emotional activity. So when the hypothalamus is shut down, you may become depressed, you may become just emotionally and hormonally imbalanced. And when it is filled with fresh blood, baby, you are gonna be on track. So, berries. Don't be afraid to eat berries. I always go to town on berries when I'm having personal like sugar cravings, and it always just fixes me right up, so.
Yeah, and it's always good to go with mixed berries, I think. They tend to have the most antioxidants, and here's a little tip if you don't know, strawberries actually have the least amount of sugar in all, like the most popular fruit varieties.
You mean fructose?
Well, I meant fructose. But I mean in terms of just overall.
Put you on the spot.
Yeah, you did, you got me there.
Okay, catch this in your mouth.
Okay, wait.
The world is watching.
That was the worst throw.
Wait. Oh, you did the worst. Okay. Strawberry?
With the stem on it, I'm good.
Okay.
Moving right along.
All right, take it away.
What? Oh, what am I doing?
This one.
Oh, right, of course.
The next one in line.
You guys are not normally this like slow, but today it's bad.
So tell them what it is.
It's cucumber water, but it's sparkling cucumber water.
And why would they eat that when they're craving sugar?
Because it's nice.
Oh, you...
I overdid it so much on the soda stream. I love carbonation.
All right, you're not explaining this well. So basically,
this one was your idea, so
yeah,
I was just presenting.
All right, good job presenting. So a lot of times when we get hungry and we have cravings, our body is not actually hungry, it's actually thirsty. I know that sounds like you're probably rolling your eyes at me and whatever, but it's true. So I encourage you guys, if you're trying to watch your sugar, if you're trying to not eat sugar, if you feel that sugar craving, maybe you eat some berries and it's still not going away, drink a ton of water and make it fun to drink. Like, you can infuse your water with cucumbers or even berries or oranges and make it taste good. Weston loves sparkling water and it is pretty refreshing. So you want to give it a try?
Yeah, round 2. Looks like it's a little safer this time. Less explosive. It tastes like high-end water. You want to meet somebody, you guys? Simba, come here.
Oh, Simba's here.
Say hi. Good boy. Look at the camera. Who's that? Good boy. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
What do you think?
I love cucumber water. Like, it just makes me, like, water is so boring to drink, so why not make it taste really good and refreshing?
Yeah.
All right, next.
I like this one because I grew up loving Slurpees, but those were really bad for you.
Yeah.
Like, talk about glucose.
Yeah, talk about a sugar dump.
So here's an awesome alternative, especially with this flavor of these branched chain amino acids. If you're not familiar, in short, BCAAs, EAAs, essential amino acids. glutamine and collagen. This is a hydration type of supplement, and it also has these aminos in it that help you recover after workouts, and they do a lot of other things as well. But in short, they also taste really good. And this particular flavor by 1UP Supplements, or Nutrition, I mean, is Tangerine Dream.
Yeah.
And oh man, this is one of the best
Tastes
ones.
like a creamsicle.
Yeah, creamsicle.
Dreamsicle or creamsicle?
Creamsicle.
Is it a dreamsicle or a creamsicle?
Why did you ask twice?
Because I didn't think you heard me.
Is it? Yeah. No, and it's
know what it is?
creamsicle for sure.
It's right there, babe.
Oh, sorry. So yeah, ice, water, BCAAs.
1 scoop
Really
or
easy.
2 if you're feeling spicy. You can't go overboard on these guys. Like,
There's
they're good
no
for you.
sugar. Yeah.
And the glutamine and collagen. Collagen is great for your hair, skin, nails. Glutamine is also really good for your joints, and it will help you be less sore when you work out. So
Yes, and we do have a discount code that you could use in.
talk louder.
Oh, we do have a discount code you can use in the video description.
Yes.
Here we go, and that's all you got to do.
That's right.
Oh gosh. We let it sit here too long, I think, because we did too many takes. But I'm pretty sure this is good consistency for slushy. Can you give me a spoon, babe?
Sorry. Yeah. So it's a slushy.
Yeah, that's the consistency. That's kind of like a
Bomb.
soapy, yeah. Taste test.
So these have 0 calories as well. This one is actually sweetened with stevia, this particular one. So you don't have to worry about eating any artificial sweeteners on this guy. And it's just fun to eat. Feels like you're eating a slushy, you know, like when you were a kid.
It's so good. I like snow cone kind of. That's
Snow
really
cone,
good.
snow cone. Yeah,
I love that flavor.
once you try these tricks, you guys, especially this with the popsicles, they taste like the naughty version. They taste like a snow cone. They taste like a popsicle. Like
It is super
they
convincing.
don't taste like you are not eating sugar. So
Yeah, there you go.
your brain won't know the difference. All right, moving on to our bonus tip, which you are gonna do because this was your idea.
Yeah. So I think a lot of people forget about honey.
Yeah,
Yes, it is a form of sugar, but
fructose. Is it fructose? I'm not sure.
well, we should definitely find out
Wait.
before we start running our mouths.
Stop.
Okay, so we got some more information, even though I knew a decent amount about honey, but this is even cooler. But in short, what I was trying to say is that this is a really good alternative for sweetening lots of things. I use it in my coffee every morning with almond milk, and then I drizzle it on things like oatmeal, and then on fruit. It goes really well for that. And just, yeah, a plethora of different things as a sweetener. It works really well, and it doesn't spike like your insulin levels. The way your body interprets honey and the way the sugars are on like kind of
Processed in your body.
biological level. I don't know, it's just totally different. And
Yeah, because if you eat normal sugar, your insulin levels go through the roof, and that's what you don't want.
Right.
So the sugar that's found in honey doesn't have that effect on your system.
and it has healthy enzymes, amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin C, minerals, antioxidants, which also has flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory properties. And if you know about health problems, a lot of them are related to like inflammation in your body.
Yes.
So that's huge.
Yeah, and if you get local honey, it could be good to help your allergies as well, because the bees in your local area, this is a good way to decrease your allergies. Did you know that?
No, that's pretty cool.
And this one's from Uruguay, so this isn't going to help our allergies.
Uruguay. We said
Uruguay.
that. Uruguay.
What was I going to say?
Yes.
I'm drawing like, oh yeah.
Yeah, welcome to my world. That's all I do is draw blanks.
Another healthy tip, not healthy tip. Another tip, next time you guys eat pizza, put some honey on it. It's so good.
It is pretty good, but just go easy on it.
Go easy, just drizzle a little bit of honey on the pizza.
It's like a
bomb.
salty sweet type of thing. Yeah.
But this is about being healthy, so I didn't say that. Okay guys, I think that wraps up our video today. Please let us know how you like this video. If you try any of these tips, give us our feedback that we like to hear, and
or any kind that you want to give.
Give us only good feedback. Just kidding.
Troll hard.
No.
Not kidding. Please don't.
On his channel.
I'm so delicate, you guys.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Well, I'm the only one talking. You talk.
Well, because you gotta give me a moment to say something.
Then jump in.
Okay. We're wrapping up today's video. That's what we have for today, and we hope to see you next time. Did I forget? Did I forget important information? I probably forgot important information.
All right, we'll see you guys next time.
No, but we really do. Yeah, we do have information.
We do
need
have
to tell
information.
people about what this cause is about.
Yes. So, if you guys want to get involved with Unlikely Heroes, they're an amazing organization. I put some information below, as well as on the screen, on how you can get involved with their Move for Freedom event this July. My brand Choreo is doing a lot of giveaways for those people who are joining this 30-day challenge. So you could win some Choreo Active gift cards. You can win our new canvas tote bag, a sweat towel. You can win a Choreo Fit membership, in which I will train you for a year for free. I'm giving away tons of stuff. So really hope that you guys join. I'd love to see you guys do it. And if you don't join, I can't force you to do it, and that's fine. And I just appreciate that you got this far in this video.
Well said.
Okay, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Okay, we're done. We just finished this video. But before we let you go, please share this video. If you want to help the cause, you want to spread the word about all the amazing work that Unlikely Heroes is doing. Maybe there's someone you know that would enjoy this video, and yeah, that would just help tremendously. And you can find us on Instagram, of course, if you want to.
And TikTok now. We're new TikTokers, so.
Yeah. It's a little late to the party, but whatever. So again, I'm Weston Boucher. So my @ symbol's @Weston Boucher. And
I'm Katie Choreo. You can find me @CuteKatieBug on all the platforms. And thank you so much for watching. We've had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope you try some of these tips.
See you soon.
You guys just bury in your mouth.
Yes?
I will give you
an hour back massage.
No.
Nice.
I will give you $10.
Okay. Let's just do it. For my own pride. What? Gosh. That was worse than the other throw.
It hit the ceiling and came late.
Alright.
That was the best throw of all time.
No you too. Nice.
My mouth is smaller.
What a great throw.
It's harder. Okay.
There we go. Bye. See ya.